Activating your Capital One debit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can activate your Capital One debit card. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just need to follow these instructions. As you guys can see, there are three ways to activate your debit card. Now, first things first, just call them at this number if you live in United States of America, which is 888 and then 624-2323. Just call them and talk to them and they will be able to help you out activating your debit card. Now, if you live outside, you can call them at this number, which is 925-675-6195. However, you can do it on the other thing as well. Use it with your current pin to make a purchase. So you can actually, start making a purchase, and they will ask you for the pin. The pin that you have, just try to put that in, and you can actually make a purchase as well. Or you can do the bank ATM as well. What you have to do is you just have to go to your, any of your ATM, insert your card, and then they will ask you for your pin, which you must have got with your, you must have got in your letter. You just have to put your pin, and there you go, your debit card will be activated. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to activate your Capital One's debit card. Hope you guys find this video helpful.